Hi, I'm here with your 2019 Can-Am Renegade, and I'm just going to go through the service with you and just go through any recommendations that I have for repairs, and I'll just quickly show you where your problems are. So your front diff fluid leak, you have a broken mounting stud for your brake caliper, your knocking noise, inside pad is pretty much wore right down to the metal backer. Ball joint, so that's that guy right there. The rear prop joint, or the prop shaft U-joint there as well. I've pulled out your tap just to make sure your screen was in good shape. Well, it goes into the top of your rack and pinion. This will be your pinion shaft. Shouldn't do that. Spray a little bit of that inside the carburetor. So that means that fluid is being sucked in. Your control arm mount is actually broken. It needs air to be able to cool, and that's the air filter, so you can see that that is really, really, really dirty. That's the end of that bearing. So that's the lower shaft mounts. And I'm sure we'll be talking soon, and hopefully we can get you upright on two wheels again. Thanks.